Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Kali is current, then install the VPN client you will use, like OpenVPN or WireGuard. This avoids package conflicts later. Once done, place provider config files and certificates into /etc/openvpn or /etc/WireGuard and secure permissions. Make sure networking services are enabled and that you have a working DNS resolver. Otherwise, VPN traffic may leak. You will now initiate a connection, so keep your credentials at hand and run the client with root privileges or via sudo. You will execute the client command appropriate to your config. For OpenVPN, use sudo openvpn config the ofpn file, and for WireGuard, run sudo wg quick up the interface. While it connects, watch logs for authentication and TLS handshake messages to confirm success. Once connected, inspect IP header, IP route, and resolve ectal status to ensure the new TUN or WG interface is present and routes default traffic. If split tunneling is needed, adjust allow dips or push routes accordingly. This controls what traffic uses. You finish by validating traffic flows through the tunnel. Query an external IP or use traceroute to confirm hops. Once verified, make the connection persistent by enabling a systemd service or a startup script so you don't reconnect manually. If things go wrong, check logs for authentication errors, confirm firewall or IPtables rules are not blocking, and adjust MTU on the tunnel. Small MTU mismatches often break traffic. If DNS leaks occur, force DNS through the VPN and restart the resolver to apply changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.